Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, we will explore how to add bullet points in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data where you want to add bullet points or create a list. So select a range in where you want to add bullet points. Then right click and go to Format Cells option. Then go to this Custom option. Now remove the general and hold your Windows key and pull stop all together. Here you can see some emojis are appeared. So go to the symbol section and search for bullets. Now from the symbol click on bullet point. It will appear here, so close it even a space and hold shift and at the rate. Then click OK. Now if you write something in this range, the bullet points will be appeared here. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by XiroSoft. XiroSoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with XiroSoft today. For more details, check the description box.